In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can check Snapchat hidden friends. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up that Snapchat app and you need to tap on your profile icon up in the top left. From here, you need to scroll down and you're going to see a My Friends option on here. Go ahead and select My Friends. It's then going to take you to a page that looks like this. And this is going to show you your current friends list and all of your regular friends, but it may not show you people that you've hidden from Quick Add. To find those, what you need to do is actually back out of this section, scroll back up, back out of here, and select the little Add Friends option up at the very top. Then tap those three dots up in the top right, and you're going to see a hidden from find friends section. Go ahead and open that up, and this is going to be all the people that you've hidden. From this page, you can either choose to add them, keep them hidden, or block them, or remove them if needed. It's completely up to you. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.